Clear your head with these tinnitus tips and tricks. Many people often complain about the pain and frustration associated with tinnitus. Although tinnitus is very frustrating to deal with, it becomes so much easier for someone if they know what to do to manage their tinnitus effectively. This video contains great tips to help you manage your tinnitus and avoid much frustration. Finding out what caused you to develop tinnitus is the first step in treating it. For instance, TMJ and hypertension are both medical conditions that can cause tinnitus, and if they are not treated, your tinnitus will not get any better. However, you must be aware that there is sometimes no cause of tinnitus. Research some relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or meditation. For many people, being stressed can make the tinnitus worse, and the tinnitus itself causes you stress. This positive feedback loop can be broken through the use of relaxation techniques, which can help reduce the incidence of tinnitus in your life. It's important to get a professional diagnosis of your tinnitus before you start treating it. Many of the symptoms of tinnitus can also be indicative of more serious issues. Moreover, if the diagnosis isn't tinnitus, then you'll need to medicate or treat it in a different manner than you would tinnitus. Tinnitus might not be what's keeping you up at night, instead it could be stress which makes the noise more noticeable. Try to tie up as many loose ends as you can before you go to bed and then engage yourself in some relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing to clear your mind and calm your body. Organize your life to relieve stress. Stress can make tinnitus symptoms worse. Try to cut unnecessary stress from your life, and focus your thoughts and attention to people and things that make you happy. Tinnitus is characterized by an incessant noise in your ears that only you can hear. The more severe cases can be debilitating. Use white noise or soft music to mitigate tinnitus symptoms at night, so that you can sleep. Fans in the bedroom make excellent, cheap white noise machines. As was discussed at the beginning of this video, tinnitus is a frustrating condition that many people suffer with every day. Some people do not realize that coping with tinnitus can be much easier if one knows the right way to manage it. Apply the advice in this video and you will see better results in managing your tinnitus. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.